In this lecture, you will learn how to install Facebook comments, discuss comments, add recent comments widgets, and some other interactive elements, how to add those into your website. First, let's start with Facebook comments. Go to Add Plugins page and search for Facebook comments. You need to install this Facebook comments by Vivacity, which has got 10,000 plus active installs and 19 reviews. Go ahead and click the install now button and then click activate once installed. You can access the settings for this plugin by going to settings and then FB comments. Once you have activated and once you are inside the settings of this plugin, you need to add the app ID of your Facebook app. If you haven't created an app yet, then click create an app. It will open this page and then click create new app. Type your website name here and then choose a category. Then click create app ID. Just for some verification purpose like CAPTCHA, you will be asked to choose some images, and this may vary based on the cookies that are set for you. I have got the app ID. I need to copy this and paste it here. Now go ahead and click Save Changes. Before that, select Hide WordPress Default Comment System from website and then click Save Changes. The settings are saved. Now let's preview our website. To see the comments, we need to view any of these posts, that is single post. Here comes our Facebook comment system. Anyone who has already logged in into their Facebook account can log in, can comment on your website without creating an account on your website or without entering their name and email address. So this is the benefit of adding Facebook comment system into your website. Now let's move ahead and install Discuss comment system into our website. Search for Discuss in Add Plugins page, but remember the spelling for Discuss is DISQUS, and then install the first plugin that you get here, that is Discuss comment system. Click install now button. Once the plugin has got installed, click activate plugin. Now go to comments and select Discuss. Once you install this plugin, Discuss comments will ask you to upgrade your database to install Discuss comments into your website. So it's better to take a backup of your database before upgrading it. Since this is a dummy website, I'm gonna go ahead and click upgrade without taking the backup. Once you have upgraded the database, you need to enter the username and password of your Discuss comment system or your Discuss profile. If you haven't created a Discuss profile, you can follow this link and sign up for a Discuss profile. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to select a website if you have already created a website in your Discuss profile. If you haven't created a website, then click register a new one on Discuss website. Here, enter your blog name and then choose your unique Discuss URL. It can be anything and it doesn't need to be your site name. And then choose a category. Then click next. Now you need to go to comments and then Discuss. Now you will see the newly created website and you can choose it and then click next. Click continue to moderation dashboard and then click go to Discuss moderation. This will open a separate page on discuss.com, so you cannot moderate your Discuss comments on your website, but you will be taken to discuss.com. It's actually pretty neat and organized to manage comments, but let's see how the comment system looks like on our website. Let's open a post. I am viewing one of my posts in this test dummy website, and you can see that the discuss comment system is not appearing. If this is the case, then there is an issue with your theme and it's incompatible with one of the features of discuss comment system. In such case, go to plugins, that is installed plugins page, and then click settings on discuss comment system. You will be taken to this page and come down and untick external JavaScript files. This will render the Discuss scripts as internal files, unlike external files which we opted for earlier. So click Save. Now refresh this post and you will see the Discuss comments now. See, it's appearing. Let's make a test comment. Our test comment has got appeared. So this is how you can add Discuss comments in your website. Now let's see how to add recent comments widget on your sidebar. Go to Appearance and select Widgets. Then drag this recent comments widget into your sidebar. I have already added one, so just give it some title like popular posts or recent comments, etc., and then click Save. Once you have done that, you will see these recent comments widget appearing on your sidebar. Since users are commenting on this post and lot of interactions are happening, normally visitors will be attracted on these posts. So this will increase the time on site for visitors, or they will click 1+ pages when they come via some search results. This is how you can increase the time on site and also reduce the bounce rate. Now let's see how you can add polls to your WordPress website. Go to Add Plugins page and search for WP polls, and then install the first plugin which has got 100,000 plus installs and 83 reviews. Once you have installed and activated this plugin, you can access this plugin via the side panel, that is polls, and then click Add poll. You can create any question and you can provide multiple choice answers so that users can choose one or vote on one of the answer. If you wish to allow user to select multiple answers, then you can opt for that too. You can also choose a start and end date for these polls. I have created a test poll, that is, do you like this website? So how I can add this into my content or sidebar? Normally go to Appearance and then Widget and drag this polls widget into your sidebar and then select any of the poll that you have created. Then click Save. This is how you can display the polls in sidebar. If you want to display a poll into any of your posts, then go to Edit Post and move your cursor to a place where you need to insert the poll, and then choose this button, that is Insert Poll button, and then enter the poll ID. Normally when you create a poll, it will display you the ID of that poll that you have created recently. For example, you may choose poll ID 1 or 2. If you forget the ID of your poll, then you can get it via Manage Polls. Here you can see the ID of different polls that you have added. Now come to the Edit Post and click Insert Poll and enter the poll ID, then update your post. Let's see how our website looks like along with the poll. Do you like this website? Yes. Vote here. Once the user has voted, they can see the results. The same poll is available in the sidebar too. You can even change the background color of the button on mouse hover or mouse away, etc. So, in this lecture, you learned how to add Facebook comments, how to add discuss comments, how to add recent comments widget, and also how to add polls into your content as well as the sidebar. In the next lecture, you will learn how unordered lists acts as a search engine ranking factor in Google search results.